Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be cooking. I'll be making ackee and saltfish with bananas, pumpkin, and yam. So keep on watching guys while I clean up the sink and then prep what I'm about to cook. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. Alright. So I'm just gonna wash these out of the sink. Just a few things out of the sink. Okay guys, so I'm gonna get the water for the ackee. I'm gonna wash the ackee. This is the ackee. Put some salt. I'll put the water on the stove. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do now is wash the ackee, and then when the water starts boiling, I'll add the ackee to the water, and then I'm gonna prep the food, get it ready, right? Alright guys, so the ackee is washed. I'm just gonna drain it off. Once the water start boiling, I'll add the ackee. So I'm gonna put it in this one. So now I'm gonna prep the food, peel the food, and now I'm gonna cook a piece of this pumpkin. It looks good. I hope it's really good. I'm just cooking for 2 of us, so this is all I need. This is all I need. Just gonna take this out. Once they're peeled, I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, so the water is boiling, so I'm gonna add the ackee to the boiling water. So let's dash in guys. I'm just gonna cut it in maybe 3. Yeah. And bananas. Who would love to peel bananas? Not me. But what I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna add some oil to my hands because I don't want my I hate when the bananas stain my hand. So what I do is add some oil. I don't know what else to do, but I'm gonna add some oil, and then I'm gonna peel the bananas. So add some oil, rub some oil on my hand. So I'm going to peel the banana. So this is how I peel banana. Just core this right here. Just do like so. Everybody know how to peel banana. But you know, some people, everybody should know, but I guess some people peel it with a knife, but that's not the right way. This is how you peel banana. So quick and easy. So I just cut it like so and core it like this. Then I peel with my hands. It's that easy, guys, to peel bananas. Okay, guys. Yes, guys, so the ackee is boiling. There it is. All right, guys, so my food is ready. It's peeled, banana, pumpkin, dasheen, and yam. So yes, guys, so my food is prepped and ready to be cooked. All right, keep on watching. Okay, guys, so I add the food to the pot, the dasheen, the yam, and the pumpkin. I didn't add the banana yet because, you know, bananas doesn't take that long to cook and you don't want it to mash out, all right? So the food, the yam, the pumpkin, the dasheen is in the pot, and then I'm gonna close it, let it boil. And then then I'll add the dumplings and then the banana. So keep on watching, guys. Okay, guys, I'm adding the dumplings. Just adding the dumplings now, guys. I add some oil to the water so the water won't get black because of the bananas. I forgot to put the skin, you know, one of the banana skin in the water to prevent it from getting black, but I add some oil. So that's it, guys. So keep on watching. I'm gonna prepare the ackee and saltfish now. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna fry up the ackee now. I already put the oil in the frying pan. It's coconut oil. So let's add so this is a seasoning that I'm gonna add. Scallion, onion, sweet peppers, and hot pepper. So I'm gonna fry this up. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna add the saltfish. There's just one thing missing now, guys, just a little black pepper, which I don't have at the moment. So yes, that's what the ackee and saltfish is looking like. It's looking lovely, smelling good too. Smells really good, guys. So yes, that's the ackee and saltfish, and that's the food. The food is ready. So yes, guys, that's dinner. All right, guys.